How to delete a Gojek account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Gojek account. If you're thinking of deleting your Gojek account because you have another one, you can switch the phone number linked to this account with the one from your other account. Fill out the form below and choose the option to change your phone number. They will help you with that. If you're just not interested in using Gojek anymore, you can simply log out without deactivating your account. But if you're sure that you want to deactivate it, follow these steps. For iOS users, open your Gojek app. Go to My Profile page. Select Manage Account. From here, choose Delete Account. For Android users, open your Gojek application. Go to My Profile page. Tap on Help and My Tickets. Select the About Account menu. Choose I want to deactivate Gojek account. Some important things to note: make sure you don't have any ongoing transactions or dues in your account, like GoPay and GoPay Later, so they can process your request smoothly. Once your account is deactivated, they can transfer your GoPay balance and GoPay coins to another account, so use or withdraw them before deactivating. If you want to use the same identity for upgrading to GoPay Plus, apply first. If it's rejected because your ID is registered on another account, visit the help page for further assistance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.